my channel. As you can tell, I have a box here. I'm going to be unboxing this Beautyfix for March of 2019, and I absolutely love this subscription. This is one of my favorites. Out of all the ones I get, I love this one the most, I have to say. This is mainly a skincare box. I mean, you'll get occasional makeup products, but it is mainly skincare. So if you're interested in a skincare box, I highly recommend this one. Now it's $24.95 a month, and you do get, usually it's not a set amount of products. I mean, you can get 6 to 8 products, I've noticed, and the value is always really good. You get full-size products, deluxe size, and you can also purchase a one-time box for $34.95. So if you're interested in just trying it out before you subscribe, then you can do that as well, as long as the box is available. I'll have the link down below, so if you're interested, then you can check it out. All right, let's get into it. When you open it up, you will see a pamphlet on the top, and it'll give you what the theme of the month is, which is Beauty Refresh, and these are all the products. The other side gives a coupon code. You can save up to 20% on the full-size products, and it is spring clean. Inside, there is a list of your products, and they don't give pricing, so I went ahead and got all the prices, and then below, you'll see what the total value is. So let's get into the first thing. So this is the first product. It's from SkinCeuticals. It is the CE Ferulic. It is a serum. It's like a vitamin C serum. It says it enhances protection against environmental damage caused by free radicals. It improves the appearance of lines, wrinkles, and brightens skin's complexion, and improves the appearance of loss of firmness. It comes in like one of these cards that kind of looks like a perfume sample card. And then on the inside, you'll actually see some information about the product and how to use it and what it could work with. It's 4 milliliters, but the 30 milliliter full size of this is $166. So this is actually valued at $22.13. So even though it's a small sample size, this is a high value. And I've noticed that SkinCeuticals products, when they come in this box, they are definitely pricey. So I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing how it works. This is the next product. It's from the brand called Color Wow. It's the Color Security Shampoo. It says keep your new spring hair color intact with this hydrating sulfate-free shampoo. This is a pretty good size for me. I mean, I'll get a few uses out of it. It's 2.5 fluid ounces, and it's valued at $10. We also have another hair product, which is from Diva Curl, and this is the Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. Tame tangles and adds shine to lifeless hair with this pre-cleanse treatment. Before cleansing, smooth onto soaking wet curls in sections, ensuring the product is saturated throughout. Use your fingers to gently detangle from the bottom up. Wash out with your cleanser, then condition and style as usual. It's gentle enough to use on every wash day to make detangling easier. This is 1.5 fluid ounces. It's valued at $3.50, but you can get the full size, which is 12 ounces, for $28. The next thing here is from a brand that we see a lot in this box, and I love it. It's Murad. This is the Revitalixer Recovery Serum for face and eyes. So this is what it looks like. This is actually a 0.17 ounce size, and it's valued at $11.21. Murad is pretty pricey, so even just this little thing right here, has a high value to it. If you want to get the full size, which is 1.35 ounces, that's $89. And it says revitalizing sphere infused serum visibly re-energizes skin, smooths stress-induced expression lines, and renews vibrancy. Each pump combines a skin relaxant blend of neuropeptide, paracress, and cannabis with revivin, niacinamide, and caffeine to transform skin from stressed to vibrant in an instant. The next thing we have here is from Strivectin. I haven't tried a Strivectin product in a very long time. And this is the SD Advanced Intensive Concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks. So this is something that you can use on your face or your body. It says for wrinkles, you apply all over to clean face. Gently massage it into wrinkle-prone areas, and then for stretch marks, you'll just massage it onto targeted areas. It's only 0.35 fluid ounces, so even using this on whatever areas I may have stretch marks, yeah, I may get maybe 2 uses out of this. Just this 0.35 ounce size is valued at $13.83. The full size is only 2 ounces and it's $79. This next product is from a brand I actually never heard of. It's called Hydropeptide, and this is an exfoliating cleanser. It says energize and renew dull winter skin and start the season with a healthy glow. It's 50 milliliters. It's valued at $11.50. The full size is 200 milliliters and it's $46. So it says thoroughly cleanse skin with foaming peptides and a burst of citrus that will energize skin and revitalize hydration. So I was saving the full-size products for last, and the first full-size product we got is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Eye Duty Triple Remedy AM Gel Cream. It's safe for sensitive skin. It hydrates, firms, and rejuvenates. It's valued at $36. The size of this is pretty good because, as you know, eye creams, you don't need a lot at all. This is actually meant to be used in the morning. I actually have not had a good eye cream for the morning because they're all really heavy, so I haven't really been using one in the morning. So now I'm glad to see that I have one. So it says it delivers an instant burst of hydration formulated with the blend of active ingredients including dual peptides, red algae, and Albizia julur brazen bark extract. It helps hydrate, firm, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The gel cream softens the look of imperfections and imparts a rejuvenated appearance in the entire orbital eye area. So that's another thing I really like. The fact that you can use it all around your entire eye. You don't have to just keep it underneath your eye. You can use it around your whole eye in the whole orbital area. A lot of eye creams you can't do that with because they're so heavy. And then the last but not least was the product I was most excited about. I actually had this in my favorites list on Sephora. This is from Skin Inc. This is a vitamin C serum. This is $35 and it's 0.34 fluid ounces. This is actually supposed to be good for people that are on the acne prone side, you know, have oily skin, because I read up on Sephora that this is a good balance in serum, and I don't know if it will work for every skin type. So for me, this is perfect. So that is everything in the March Beauty Fix. As you can see, we got 8 products. I get a lot of makeup subscriptions and there's only so much makeup I can use. This box is really refreshing for me because I love that it sends these kinds of products. I'll have everything linked down below, so if you want to sign up or take a look at the website, then you can feel free to do so. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it and help me grow my channel. Keep a lookout for all of the March unboxings. I still have boxes that are sitting here and waiting to be filmed. As you can tell, I have my Ipsy Plus, my FabFitFun, and then I have my regular Ipsy and my Birchbox. So keep a lookout for those videos. They will be coming shortly. So until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.